Hi, I'm Alexander. Today I'm going to talk to you about this gorgeous style, Lyndon. As you can see, Lyndon is a beautiful long hairstyle with a deliciously gorgeous curl pattern. I absolutely love Lyndon, and you can see why. It just looks feminine, it looks very fresh, very fashionable and gorgeous. Let's take a look at the back. You can see how fashionable that is. Nice and flat up top, making this seem really sleek, really wearable, and very believable, very natural growing out the head, with this curl pattern starting from roughly a few inches down the head, nice and beachy, nice and soft, not too overdone. Now this looks amazing both brushed out and directly out the box as is. Lyndon is an NM fibre style with extended lace, lace front, lace part, open wefted cap, and adjustable straps in at the nape.